Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Sri. Nowadays, online teaching and learning has become more popular, but then I feel traditional classroom teaching is the best system. It not only improves the interface and quality of education, but also emphasizes on student-teacher relationship. Due to the present scenario, many started with conducting online classes. This is my first step in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. As a fresh startup, I am learning my own ways to enhance my online teaching in maths and science for grades 7 onwards. Hope my videos reach up to your understanding. Once again, I welcome you all to Learning with Sri. Let's start our first session in mathematics of class 9, polynomials. A polynomial is an expression containing variables, constants, arithmetic operations, and more importantly, non-negative integer exponents. You all are very much familiar with variables, constants, and exponents. But you should be more emphasizing on the word non-negative integer exponents when you learn about polynomials. Let us look at few examples. X plus 5, y minus 8, x by 2 plus 7, x square minus 12. All these are algebraic expressions, something which is familiar to you all. Are they? Yes, of course. Then what are polynomials? Polynomials and algebraic expressions both consist of variables and constants with arithmetic operations. But all polynomials are algebraic expressions and all algebraic expressions may not be polynomials. Oh, it is little tricky to understand. Nothing much. Let us see what is the difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. Look at the examples. 1 by 2y plus 5 and 1 by x minus 7. In both of these examples, we are using two different variables. In the first expression, 1 by 2y plus 5, the variable used is y. And what is its power? It's 1. Whereas in the second example, 1 by x minus 7. In this expression, what is the variable used? Yes, it is x. And what is the power of x? Of course, it's minus 1. So you could easily differentiate now. In the first example, the power was a whole number, whereas in the second example, the power is a negative exponent. So, this makes up the difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. In algebraic expressions, the powers can be fractions as well as negative exponents. But for a polynomial, only whole numbers are used as exponents. So, this makes up the major difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. So, you can have square roots, cube roots and negative exponents in algebraic expressions or even sometimes fractions. But in polynomials, only whole numbers are used as variables. Now, let us deal upon polynomials and its types. You all must have already learnt about this in your previous classes. You have learnt about monomials, binomials, trinomials and so on. Yes? Yeah. Now see here, in this examples, you have x plus 3, x square minus 3, 2y by 7 minus 11. In all these examples, you have how many terms? Two terms. What are they? In the first example, x and 3. In the second example, x square and minus 3. And in the third example, 2y by 7 and minus 11. All these example contains two terms. So what are these expressions called as? We call them as binomials. Yes, if any algebraic expression or a polynomial contains two terms, we call it as a binomial. If it has one term, we call it as a monomial. If it has 3 terms, then we can call it as a trinomial. So, all these come under types of polynomials. We'll be learning more about these types of polynomials, and we'll also go into the inner details of them in our next class. Hope you all understood everything that is being dealt in this video. Now let's meet in our next video for types of polynomials. I shall end up this session over here. Let's continue in our next video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.